Running a tight race, mastering competitive English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting English phrase that's both vivid and full of energy. Run a tight race. This phrase is packed with meaning and is commonly used in both everyday conversations and professional settings. Understanding it can add a dynamic layer to your English communication skills. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it effectively in your own conversations. Run a tight race refers to a situation where competitors are very close in terms of performance, ability, or achievements, making the outcome uncertain and highly competitive. The phrase evokes the image of a race where the participants are so close to each other that predicting the winner is almost impossible until the very end. This can apply not just to sports but to any competitive scenario, such as business, politics, or even academic achievements. While the exact origin of "run a tight race" is difficult to pinpoint, it's clear that it comes from the world of competitive sports, where races, whether running, horse racing, or car racing, are measured by the smallest of margins. Over time, this sporting term has transcended its literal origins to become a metaphor used in various competitive contexts, symbolizing the intensity and closeness of any competition. Incorporating "run a tight race" into your vocabulary can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Here are a few examples to show how it can be used. In business, the two startups are running a tight race to capture the market first. It's hard to say who will come out on top. In academics, the top 2 students in the class are running a tight race for the valedictorian spot. In politics, the election results show that the candidates are running a tight race, with no clear winner yet. These examples demonstrate the versatility of the phrase and how it can be adapted to various situations to describe close competitions. Understanding and using phrases like "run a tight race" can enrich your English vocabulary and help you communicate more effectively. It's a powerful expression that brings to life the intensity and competitiveness of any situation. We hope this video has helped you grasp the essence of this phrase and inspired you to use it in your own English conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward in that journey. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to run your own tight race in mastering the English language.